Hey folks, this is Kyle with Off Leash Canine Training down here in beautiful Southwest Florida. Today I have with me Axel. He is an 8-month-old German Shepherd here for the 2-week board and train program to help out with obedience and leash manners. Today is the first day of drop-off, so let's see what he knows. Axel, place. Yeah, we got a start, not bad. Axel, come here. Axel down. Axel down. Axel sit. Come here. As you can see, we got some work to do, so check back in 2 weeks to see our progress.
Gotta get what you want, gotta get what you need, gotta get what you want, gotta get what you need, gotta get what you want, gotta get what you need. Better take all you get, my love, cause you know it don't come for free. Keep it all for yourself, my love, cause it really don't matter to me. to the beat, let the rhythm pop. Feel the groove, baby. Shake what you got. Let it all go. Let it all go. Feel that fire, let your spirit glow. Let it all go. Let it all go. Tonight's the night, let the good vibes flow. Clouds in your head, brush them away. The sun's out, we're catching rays today. Dance like the world's your own parade. Every step's a spark, every move's a blaze. Don't think twice, don't hesitate.